Hello, everyone. My name is Tyler, and I'm new to the product team here at Nextpoint. In the short time that I've been part of this team, I've had the privilege of talking with a number of litigators and legal professionals that have lots of love for Nextpoint's transcript tools, including some tough love for how it might be improved. I'm happy to share that we've rolled out a number of improvements centered around two key themes: organizing your work product like notes and issues, and then also giving you greater flexibility when exporting transcripts with that work product included. Firstly, on the topic of organization, you now have the ability to create sub-issues to help structure your arguments with elements that might be related, but are ultimately different issues. You can do this in your settings when creating new transcript issues. Just choose the option to create as a sub-issue and identify the parent that it should be associated with. On the Deponents page, you can select these from that same list as your other designations and issues when creating those new clips, where you'll also notice that you can now choose to create a clip with more than one issue or designation at a time. Once you're ready for a report of your transcript and work product, you'll see that we've made some changes to the structure of the report sidebar to make it easier to choose the type of report and what formatting options you'd like included. When exporting any type of PDF, you'll notice that your designation headers and included notes are a bit easier to differentiate from the Q&A text. And on text file exports, you'll notice that we've added the clip citation and name of the designation, issue, or sub-issue associated with each of those clip segments to better organize this raw text and ultimately make it easier to work with. Moving on to the topic of flexibility, you'll see a number of new formatting options that allow you to pick and choose how your report is created. For PDF reports, you'll see that you can now choose just to include designation headers in the transcript without your notes. And something I'm personally excited by is the ability to include all of your notes on a separate page. This is great if you utilize the notes field to create summaries of your arguments, or if you just want to be able to reference a clean copy of the Q&A text side by side with those notes. If you're someone who makes use of different colors to keep track of your designations and issues, we've also added options to highlight all of your clips, just your notes, or just the designation header. Feel free to choose what works best for you and your colleagues. Lastly, if you're someone who prefers your clips to be organized in a spreadsheet, we've added some new options to our CSV reports where you can choose to include or exclude certain metadata columns, as well as the page and line numbers within the column that contains your clipped Q&A text. We're really excited to bring you these improvements to one of the core functions of Nextpoint software, and we can't wait to hear about how you'll utilize it in the workplace.